If you're seeing a SketchUp authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get signed in again and get back to work as quickly as possible. SketchUp login problems are usually caused by an expired session, browser settings, a network issue, or even hitting your device activation limit. The good news is that most of these problems are easy to fix in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open SketchUp and look for the sign in icon in the bottom left corner. If you're already signed in but still getting an error, the first thing to try is signing out completely. Click the sign in icon, sign out of your account, then close SketchUp fully. After that, reopen the app and sign back in with the same account. This simple refresh can fix issues caused by an expired login session or a temporary authentication glitch. If that does not solve the problem, the next thing to check is whether you have exceeded the allowed number of activations on your account. This usually happens if SketchUp has been installed or activated on too many devices. To fix this, go to your Trimble account in a web browser and log in with the same email address connected to your SketchUp license. Once you are inside your account, find the option for Manage Devices. From there, look for Deauthorize All. This will remove activation access from other devices and allow you to sign in again on the computer you want to use. If you are working across multiple laptops or desktops, this step is especially important. Now let's check your browser settings, because SketchUp Authentication often relies on your browser to complete the sign-in process. Make sure your default browser allows third-party cookies. If third-party cookies are blocked, the SketchUp login page may fail to load properly or may keep sending you back to the same error screen. Open your browser settings and verify that cookies are enabled, especially for external authentication pages. If you are not sure where that setting is, it may be easier to temporarily reset your browser settings or test a different browser. If the authentication page still will not load, try clearing your browser cache. Old cache data can interfere with the sign-in page and stop it from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, restart the browser and try the SketchUp sign-in process again. If that still does not work, set a different browser as your default browser and try once more. Sometimes simply switching from one browser to another solves the issue immediately. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the authentication process before SketchUp can confirm your account. Make sure your connection is stable and that you are not experiencing any major drops in speed. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily. Some VPNs can block or confuse account verification systems, which may cause the authentication error to appear even when your username and password are correct. If you are on a work or school network, that network may also be restricting the login process, so testing on a different connection can help confirm whether the network is the problem. At this point, if you have signed out and back in, deauthorized extra devices, checked your browser cookies, cleared cache, and verified your internet connection, you should be much closer to fixing the issue. In most cases, one of those steps will resolve the SketchUp authentication error and restore normal access. To recap quickly, sign out and sign back in. Deauthorize devices if you hit the activation limit. Allow third-party cookies in your browser. Clear your cache or switch browsers. And make sure your internet connection is stable with VPN disabled if needed. Those are the main fixes that solve most SketchUp login problems. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, leave a comment below with the exact error message you're seeing and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.